Oh yes, my people, I so much have reservations and respect for the distinguished Senator Nedoko on what he's doing on the Anioma state creation. It is a one-man squad. What he's doing is a one-man squad, doing all the wide range of consultation. In fact, I was impressed, especially impressed on his recent consultations that he's doing. The one he went to Imo State, aside that one, do you know what it means for Southeast, or let me narrow it down, for Dave Umahi to come publicly to support the creation of Anioma State? I think it's not just an ordinary, feat. It's not ordinary achievement. You must have, Nedoko must have done some consultations, and people, gave him good to go ahead. That is a wonderful thing. In fact, I so much appreciate. And consultation is not just about the Delta State alone. The eastern side is very important, to do a vast and, rooted consultation, because the eastern side is very important. And let me tell you, we should not rule out the possibility of, negotiations further. Yes, some things have been established, yes. So, but we should not rule out Delta State or the Nedoko camp. They should not rule out the idea of further consultations, yes, to remove some things that did not balance, so that they can get their normal state and get it now, because this is a wonderful time and a wonderful opportunity for them to get this Anioma state. There is no two ways about that. And that's why you see me sometimes, I give that wide coverage. I said I prefer Anioma state, and another outcome might happen, yes, which is not my making, but mine is to tell you what I want and present things the way it is. If anything is going on in the Southeast on the creation of Anioma state, I will still present the viewers what is going on. But personally, I would prefer the creation of Anioma state to come into fruition, and that is what majority of the people want to happen, whether in Delta State or in the Southeast. Because if you watch my comments, the comments I'm receiving on my channel, you see that about 95% of Southeasterners want Anioma state to be created. So, but the figure I cannot give you now is the percentage that wants the capital to remain in Anioma or the capital to be in Olo, because many are of different opinion as regards that. So, but the consultation that Nedoko did to Imo State, because Imo State is vital. The people that has that the people that has that connection with the federal, somebody like Hope Uzodinma, like what he's doing with APC Uzodinma, that is correct. These are the people that will give him support, that go and rest, and you will see it come to fruition. What Dave Umahi said is a very good plus to the agitation. So the senator has said it severally that whatever he set his eyes on, that he will achieve, that he has done so many things great in his life, mentioning the creation of or the establishment of sports university in Delta State. Well, for Dave Umahi to throw his weight behind it means that to me there is light. And you know that the president himself has his support somehow. From what we are hearing, the president wants, the body language of the president, he wants Anioma state to become part of Southeast. Okay? So I wish Nedoko what he's doing, let him continue. It's not an easy thing, but we hope that at last he's going to succeed. And many people that supported the creation of Anioma state will be happy to hear that. So Anioma people, is left for you guys to throw your support behind him. Southeast, you can see that Southeast is not disappointing. Southeast is coming up with their own support. It's just left for you guys to, you know, put the round hole on a square, or the round peg on a round hole, so that everything will match well. You know, no matter what is it, there could always be further consultations and amendments, so that things will work out peacefully. So you can now have a view of that visit to Imo State and a key personnel in this present, you know, government, and also a stakeholder, a major stakeholder in the Anioma State creation, talking about Senator or Governor Hope Uzodinma.